Hello? What's that say? Oh, those are my own comments. Yeah. Time to watch this back and see if it actually sounds good. Oh, wait, that's gonna loop back. Hold on, wait. I'm gonna mute for a second then. Should we be able to do this? Sounds fine to me. Actually, how loud is that? Oh. That must be really loud, because I'm on 2. I guess all my stuff is very loud. I will turn everything down. Turn this down to, like, 6, I guess? I don't know. Turn back on desktop audio. Hold on, wait. Is that fine? I should be able to do this. Go live. Turn back on desktop audio. Hold on, wait. Yeah, I should be fine. Whatever. Nothing bad can happen. Let's see, if I'm looking at this, I've got my Godot open here. This should only capture my Godot itself, and nothing to do with my file system, I hope. This is sick. Can I open up my chat here? How about chat? Can I pin this? It's looking like a no. I'd like to pin this. Docs. Custom browser doc. Yo! Chat though. YouTube. Bruh. Yeah, but... Oh! Yo! Okay, sick. Sign into chat. Ah! That's not that good. How do I make my chat into a hole? I can't just add this as a... Bro. No, that's fine, whatever. Who cares? So. Now I actually have to start making a game. Uh-oh. That's no fun. Oh wait, if I'm just capturing... I'm not capturing any of my actual things here right now. I'll be fine. How do I... Let that come back. I'm actually using... I used to stream on YouTube, but I just used all the OBS stuff, but I'm trying stream keys right now instead of connecting my account. Let me get the, How do I just get the URL to my video? Don't start playing, don't start playing. Okay. Rojo? Hmm? No. Ooh, this is a good song. No, I can't turn on 360 video? Hello? Hello, Niter? I can't make the chat any bigger. Oh, unless I literally pop it out. Ah. Well, guess it will take up half my screen. Why is the text so small as well? Now what do I even need? Do I have a GitHub set up for this? I'm going to be using the video series from... what's your man's name? Mrs. I got 10 minutes in and then made a whole idea, so that's pretty sick. Password? What's all that? Deal. Good luck making a game.
Alright, starting out
Thank
in a
you.
blank
I'm gonna
scene here,
need
I
it.
can use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Click the...
Wait, I can zoom in and out. I should turn on my light. The light is on. There is a light on in my room right now. It's over in that corner. I'm working off mostly the light from my monitor right now. But also, you know, monitors nowadays usually have like backlights, so you don't actually need a separate light on.
Middle mouse button 3D scene
I just need
here,
this
the
man to
main
go
world
through
scene.
this as
Another
quickly as
node.
possible.
Control A again, or you can press that plus sign. Let's add another node 3D, rename that. Environment.
So he starts with 3D scene. What does he call it?
Now,
Bro just called it world. Okay. Right now, hello, 1 FPS counter. Oh. Okay, if I save this, world.tcsn.
Control A, mesh instance, do Control A again, or you can see here, double click, rename it to world.
Am I making it 2S? No, it's not 2D. It's gonna be 3D. It's gonna be a Doom
Control
game.
S, save. Let's click 3D scene here, double click, rename it to world. Control S, save. That's our scene, our main.
Control S, save. So he literally just... That's my scene.
Main world scene. Let's do Control A again, or you can press that plus sign. Let's add another node 3D, rename that environment.
Damn. Control A, node 3D. We're calling it environment. Playing Overwatch, wow. I hope you get better soon.
Now
That sounds
Control
really
A,
unfortunate.
mesh instance 3D.
I still
make a
haven't
point
played any. I've played it once.
environment. Now Control A, mesh instance 3D.
What the hell's a mesh instance? Is this as a child? Yes. Mesh instance 3D.
Let's make a
Make 3D games. Yeah. Yeah, no. In Godot 4.0, they definitely, they actually did a lot of work on their 3D stuff. But it didn't affect me before, because I didn't make anything in Godot. This was my first time really using it. I had 30 minutes in it before this, just messing around.
geometry, material.
Oh, wait, he just... Mesh instance 3D. Mesh? Whoa. So I make it plain mesh? Ah, okay, I'm picking up. I need to play more? Probably. No, it's free. I don't need to ever touch it.
Override standard material 3D.
Overwrite. What material is he looking at? This? Standard material 3D. Oh, this is so weird. Do I click on this? Oh! That's a lot of stuff. Where's color? I feel like... Oh, vertex color? Shading? I feel like I'm not fully following what he's doing. Wait.
Geometry, material, override, standard material 3D.
I think I did that. Geometry. Oh, no, I was in the wrong section. Shit.
3D, click that.
Click that.
Albedo, change the...
Oh, it's albedo, yeah. Oh, that's what I call color too. Oh, it's called color in here, but it's not called color anywhere else. Oh. RGB, but it's CMYK. What's a nice color? Oh, there is a color wheel up here. That makes sense. Ooh, look at that green.
color. Let's do, I don't know, some like dark red.
Ooh, he's
or
doing a
something.
harsh red.
And we can rename that to ground. And
Ground. That's true. Okay, actually, let's rename. Rename F2. I hate when they put it on functions, bro. On function keys. Hello, FPS. Can you see that? Can you see that massive 12 FPS there? What do you call it? You just call it ground.
I don't need physics on it because this is going to be
down.
essentially a 2D
There at the
game.
bottom.
And I don't need physics on that because this will be essentially a 2D game. Then Control
I like
A
how he just
again,
repeats
another
himself.
mesh instance. Let's do a box. This time we'll do create mesh static body, geometry.
What is he doing? Also, this entire engine just makes your text really small first. New mesh instance. It's way too small. Yo, wait, I can actually use the magnifier on this. Oh. I hope this doesn't show up on the screen at all. Mesh instance. Okay. That'd be funny if that messed with everything. So he adds a new mesh instance to this. Mesh instance 3D. And then he makes it block mesh. Box mesh? I'm picking up.
Instance. Let's do a box. This time we'll do create tri-mesh static body,
Static body 3D. Okay, on it goes. Static. Uh-oh. Oh, here. I don't need firewall packet open right now. I can close out. I don't need Discord open right now. I can close that. There is a warning on this. This node has no shape. It's probably true.
geometry, and yes. This time we'll do create tri-mesh static body,
Create tri-mesh static body. Hold on, wait. Whatever I did was wrong. He clicked here. Okay, click up there instead, I guess. And that gives it a collision shape. Okay. Instead of me doing it manually.
geometry, and give it,
What am I changing the geometry of? This mesh instance?
I don't know, blue color.
Oh, he's just changing the color of it again. It was here, material override, standard material, and then... Oh, I clicked this, albedo. What color am I? Oh, whoa. Okay, I'll make myself pale pink.
Or something. So now it has physics. You can see there's a
Nope, this is a wall. Okay, I'm actually gonna make this like a gray then. Oh, do I want... actually, never mind. What I was about to ask does not matter at all. And I'm still actually answering it. That's not gray at all. What? No, wait, I want full opacity. How do I get to gray? I want like a gray undertone of blue. Do I want blue undertones? Yeah.
static body 3D and a collision shape on it. So zoom out. I'll hit R to switch to scale mode. These are all your different modes up here.
Scale mode?
So
Ooh.
I'll just scale this up to give us a big floor. And this one I'll rename to
Everything's
block.
in meters?
Hit
What?
F,
I'm
I
not
can
used to that.
Sort of focus on it from over there.
Okay. He's going without me. Oh, planes have their lights on. If I hold shift, okay. If I hold control, okay. If I hold, I don't know. That beats me. I no longer understand what alt. Nope. How do I? Yeah, it's a plane. Can't really change the height of it. Oh, Control D duplicates. Do I want to... Actually, what is that? Ah! Nah, there is a thing for it. I'm dumb. So how do I go down? In Minecraft, it's shift to go down. How do I go down? Ah, it's CUNY. Actually, no, yeah. I remember that from some other games now. I don't know what. Is it Gary's mod that does that? Also, he made it way bigger. Wow. Grab the green one. Nope. Grab the wrong thing. Yep. There we go.
W, switch back to movement mode, and I can move it up maybe.
Grab this. W to move up and down. Maya does that too. So, these are the same controls as Maya. Uh-oh. Industry standards creeping in. See, I can't just click off and move around. Oh, I'm not used to these up and down controls. Is this the player or is this a wall? I'm actually not sure.
Scale it out a little and move it over there. Control D to duplicate.
Whoops.
Bring it around.
This is... I'm not sure. I think this is... I still can't tell if this is an enemy. Bro, he called it block? When? Okay. Oh, I just saved the scene. Very cool. And he moves it down. Fight. Oh. I didn't mean to move it up. Shit. There. I'm trying not curse either. What? Look. What? I shouldn't be able to just hold it. Does that make sense? So how... Wait, what am I doing? Wait, how do I move? Oh, I'm lost. So how do I deselect? Hold on, wait. Select mode. Show list of selectable objects. No. I gotta figure those out. Deselect. Godot. Huh. Escape? That's crazy. Okay. That's some Terraria type thing.
I don't know, make a few blocks.
And your man here is, Oh, so this is from the camera. And this is around what's in front of me. So that's right-clicking. It's moving where the camera's looking. And this is moving... This is middle-clicking. This is moving around what I'm looking at. That's really weird, actually. Okay, W. So now I can control D a couple of these. Bruh. Very cool. 4 is enough for me. Next.
Now we
are 1 minute
set up
40 into this tutorial.
So what you see here, this
It's
lighting
30
and
minutes.
shadows and stuff, this is just like kind of default editor view. If I actually run the game, I hit Control A. Let's add in a camera 3D here.
Bro is throwing a camera 3D in. Can I? Okay, good. I can close all these. Into the environment or world? Into the world, okay. Camera 3D. Exar? Extended reality? Wait, is it extended reality?
And move it back.
Does that even make sense? Where is that? Okay. If I save that, how do I... No main scene.
I can hit preview.
I'm gonna wait
You
until
can see
he
there's
does
lighting.
something.
What if I
Wait, hold on. How do you... Yo! Damn, that's sick. You can just click on a camera. You can do this in Blender too. Wait, so can I rotate myself? Not from this perspective. There's probably a way to like actually... I don't know what I was clicking there. I don't know what that means. Okay. Preview. Yeah, that's better. Escape. I have such a big key in the way that blocks
actually
me from hitting
run this,
escape.
hit F5. We need to define a main scene, so click select current.
I missed what
Run
he did.
this, hit F, move it back. I can hit preview. You can see there's lighting, but if I actually run this, hit F5, we need to define a main scene, so click select.
Okay, select current. He just hit select current. So I do hit this and then select current, and then can you see this current window? I'd assume not actually. Oh! You can sort of see. No, you cannot see that. Okay. Well, okay. Man. Am I really gonna have to? Okay. Godot game running. There we go. That's what it looks like. Here I can change the size of it. Ooh, it does change in real time. But it's very dark. There's no lighting. So now I can close that. So why did that decide to do that? So what's this now? What is this now? Godot game running. Oh, it thinks. Capture method. No. No. Window title must match. Okay, there we go. So now if it's not there, it will just not do anything. Cool. So now what am I doing? I might as well like this. My computer is working hard right now. Also, I'm gonna close my GitHub, close that. I have ChatGPT open. That's probably fine. I can keep that open just in case.
Current. If you run it, you'd see there's not actually any lighting. This
There's no
is just
lighting.
default editor view. So we want to add an environment. So just add world environment.
We added something called world environment to the world. Oh, is this lighting? What is that?
Click new environment here. You can change settings in here like back.
He clicks that and make.
Background color and click new and default editor view. So we want to add an environment. So just add world environment. Click new environment here. You can change settings in here like background color, whatever.
Okay. I just have an environment now. New sky. I will just make it a color. It's much easier. What color is it? What color is it? It's kind of dreary. My game is sort of set in a gray time right now. I'll just do gray. This is what Ireland looks like most of the time, actually. This feels like home.
Whatever you want, stuff like that.
He did the
I don't
exact
care.
same
I'm just
color.
gonna add in.
I would not be surprised if it was the exact same hex
light
code.
3D. So I can bring this up.
He just put a light 3D in. He added it to the world environment. I guess that makes sense. I'm creating a node. Oops. Oh, that's what I want. Light. Directional light 3D. This one. Okay, E, no, W. Wherever the sun is. Oh, wait. I guess the point is that there isn't really a sun here, huh? Oh, you're facing the wrong way, that's for sure. Oh. I understand. I have to hit escape, of course. But of course. Oh, I can't grab it. Oh, that's weird. So can I... Oh, wait. Oh, no, in that mode I can't grab it. Oh, you have a big hitbox. Light. Shadow. Yeah, I can't change the color. Ooh, it's like it's a sunset. This looks like what's that Mario Kart? Moo Moo Meadows. Whoops. That's what this reminds me of right now. I'm not making a racing game though.
hit E, rotate, maybe rotate it around here. You can hit T to toggle between local and...
T to toggle between local and... Oh my god, that's actually so sick. Thank god I heard him say that. So now I can go globally. I can move it around. So if I... Wait, you can't really R a low... Oh wait, that's exactly what I was looking for earlier. I didn't even realize that wasn't what I wanted. Whoops. And then I hit T, and then I just start moving along the actual axis. Wow! Okay. Also, stop being yellow. I don't get that. I guess I'll just make it slightly darker. A darker light? That's not really... Is that how that works? If I...
global,
a black light will make
transform,
everything
by the
darker?
way. Click shadows, enable those.
Oh, I do want shadows. Yeah, good point. Ooh. So now if I run this. First of all, you'll be able to see it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. That looks cool. Save that again, I guess, for some reason. Keep saving it.
Now we have shadows and lighting. Looks good. Okay, now if we just test that, you can see that there is lighting in our scene. It looks good. Let's delete that camera. Now let's click to create a new tab. We'll click other node.
Create a new tab entirely.
Type in character body 3D. So
Other node. We're making the character now. Let's go. We're gonna be able to move around, hopefully.
this is we're going to use for characters that have physics and interact with the physical environment.
Physics, okay.
Rename this to player.
I am player. Hello, 4
Click
FPS.
node, groups, type in player.
Node groups.
Add that. So now it's
And add it.
in the player group. We can save the scene also here. Go back
Save the scene also here. Okay. Will do.
to the inspector. Control A. Let's add
Nope, I missed that.
a group. We can save the scene also here. Go back to the inspector.
Back in the inspector.
Control A. Let's add a collision shape.
Okay. Adding the collision to the player now. Collision shape 3D. Probably a capsule, right? So let me try this. It's gonna be capsule shape probably. Yeah, capsule shape. That's usually what you use. Disabled, yeah. I add it and then it's just
And
not there.
give you a capsule shape. Hit W, control, drag.
Ah, okay. Am I turning on and off captions? That's not what I want. Oh, very cool. We are only halfway in. Or half an hour in.
That'll snap if you do control drag. So bring it up. Now we need a few elements here. So we want a raycast 3D. This will be for the
Oh, raycast. Oh, this is for the actual gun. That's cool.
gun. I'll bring it up. I'll set the target position to 0. And set the Z to be -1000.
Z to be -1000. It does indeed do that. Oh, is this making like a super long like range to hit something in? I don't think you can actually hit an enemy that far away. Like I'd say to about like maybe this. You can actually shoot an enemy in Doom, like these 8 grids here. It is very long and it's not realistic, I'd say. Actually, but it's like spread. There's spread in it too. Who knows?
And I bring it up to 1.5 on the position.
Yep. Couldn't agree more. What? He said 1.5. We're talking about the same thing, right? It's not changing. Oh, he's not in the target position. He's in the actual position now. That makes sense. Okay. So what? Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that I can just grab it and move by doing that. Because I want to have it selected and I want to move around my mouse. Because I love clicking things, I guess. It's a skill issue. It's my problem. But I don't like that I can just drag it anywhere. I want to grab onto one of these. But I don't have to. Unfortunately. So, target position is where the actual raycast... So if I do, like, 5, it's going to be... Oh. Oh, I'm telling it... Oh, I'm giving it the direction. I'm giving it the vector. I'm not giving it the actual... $999. No, okay. So from 0, 0, or from wherever I am, I'm telling it what coordinate it's supposed to point at. That makes sense, actually. So it's supposed to point at negative 1000Z. So I assume this is forward. Because I don't think the player would be shooting backwards. Or maybe. That'd be cool. So this is the actual transform for where it starts from. And this is where it should point at.
And so you can see...
Did the music stop? No, it's just very quiet. I hope it's not that quiet, though. Right. Let me go live. I hope it's not that quiet, though. I can't hear him at all. Hold on, wait, actually. I want to listen back to it. Back to the stream, half an hour in. To see if I'm actually quiet. No, am I on shorts? No, I'm not. Good. Nope. Audio's actually really good. Damn. Great.
See, it's pointing really far that way. We also want a camera 3.
He literally did 3 different movements in half a second. Ah, he added a camera 3D. That's fine. That makes sense. Yep, Canem. So I wanted to add a canvas modulate. That's what he said. Oh, I'm spelling it wrong. Camera 3D.
3D. Move it also to 1.5.
Where do I want to find? Probably
so now
from
this
where the
is
raycast is, yeah. So it's transform. Same place from this. That makes sense.
Gun's pointing the same direction as our
Dead
camera.
center
From the
where
center
I'm
of the
looking
camera.
is dead
so
center of where I
now
shoot.
we have all this. Let's just do our UI. So I'll do Control A, add a canvas layer. So canvas layers are typically where you want to.
Okay, we're actually adding canvas stuff, so I wasn't that far off before. He wants a canvas layer. Oh, is this a
show
GUI?
And we'll do
he just
Control
added
A, add in a control. So Control.
Control? I don't know if he called it that. Oh, geez.
Modes are used for UI. I'm going to call this gun
I'm turning this up. I don't know what he's saying.
base. And
If I turn up my thing, does it make it louder for you? It doesn't. Oh. That's actually sick. Okay, I didn't know that. Why is this... My tab group isn't showing up now. There we go.
if I click here, I can set the anchoring. I'm going to do this one at center bottom. And we're going to do
Center bottom. Center bottom. Damn. Okay, actually killing it so far. Menus were my worst thing in Unity. The Unity in my previous game, if you watch the video, it's bad. I'm lucky I had a different image I used for the menu. That I had already scrapped. Oh, by the way, the video I'm using for this is this, in case anyone wants it. Wait, uh-oh. Spanish keyboard. We're on God's green earth. There we go. There we go. I found the carrot finally. It's shift, square bracket, or curly brace. But you have to hit it twice, and then it gives you two, and then you have to delete one of them. I don't know what the point of that is. But it happens on backticks on the English keyboard, too.
Control A and add in an animated sprite 2D. So now let's go ahead and add in our assets. So I'm just going to drag these into the scene. And there you go, they're in. So under animated sprite, let's do animation, new sprite frames. Go to animation, not animation. Click that.
He is adding animations right now.
Product,
I'm not.
Sprite frames
I'm not
editor.
doing that
So
yet.
let's call this
I do
one
not care.
idle. Set this to be play on awake. We click this little grid thing. One frame.
That's
Apply.
great.
We can.
OBS Studio disconnected. Disconnected, reconnecting. Thank you for disconnecting OBS. It's told me I've got 0 dropped frames so far, which is crazy, because it's raining right now. It's raining relatively. Actually, it's not that hard. But by virtue of the fact that it is raining, and I'm streaming, and it just disconnected, I'm surprised I haven't dropped any frames instead. I think I'd rather drop frames than, you know, disconnect completely. OBS has priority. Okay.
Let's center that.
You died.
And bring that up. And then also a button. It says restart. Center.
Maybe I'll actually add some of this GUI stuff, because it's looking important now. So he's got canvas layer. I skipped over too much. Wait, no, shoot.
And then this, so it ends on this one. You can see the number, which frame it'll be. Add 4 frames. So let's bring is our gun animation there. Let's also add in a color rectangle and
Color rectangle. Okay, I'll add that in first. I'll call it to do gun animation because I don't have it. Whoops. Canvas layer. I'll add a color rect. Crosshair. Layout center. Whoops. 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 So if I do shift, yep, nice. Very cool. What color should that be? There's so many pretty colors here. The walls are kind of, I'll make it darker. Dark purplish. That's just not good for visibility, is it? I literally can't see it, so I don't know. That's too dark, I feel. Okay.
and center that. Make it.
Oh my god, wait, what? Hold on, he's just clicking this. Wait, where's he clicking? This. Nope. Ah, damn. He just clicks that. Bro. Wish I knew that.
Get really small, just Alt Shift, and then make the color more transparent. And I'll call this a
More transparent. Do I want a transparent crosshair? Well, first I gotta go to the... Where did color just go? Oh, here. Yeah, okay.
A crosshair. There we go. Okay, and now I want to add in one more UI thing. I'm going to do control. I'll call this death screen.
Okay, now we're adding in another... We're adding in a control. That makes sense. So it plays animations, or it has stuff that changes depending on...
Let's make this cover the whole screen.
Oh, I was clicking the wrong thing. Okay. So what am I clicking?
And then
Wait, yeah, so what was I clicking? So what the hell's all this? Okay. Doesn't matter. What do you call it? Death screen. Which is important.
I will add a panel and
Add a panel.
let's center you.
Stop anchoring everything.
And Shift Alt, bring that up. Alt, bring that there.
I want a nice big death screen.
And let's add in a label. And I'll say you died.
Okay, a label is just text. You died. Now this also center inside of this. How do I lay out?
We can center that.
Okay, maybe the panel will be smaller then.
And bring that up. And then also...
Oh, well, we're bringing the label. What the hell did I just do? So what am I doing here? I'm confused. I can't grab this. I can grab it. Okay. So we're actually adding more stuff here, so...
a button. That's it.
Oh, we can add buttons? Very cool.
Is restart. Center. Bring it down. There we go.
Oh, we're only giving the option of restarting. That makes sense. Whoops. There we go.
And let's just hide that.
I'd like to bring you down a bit then. Whoops. I said I'd like to bring you down a bit. There we go.
One more.
Visibility. Visibility off? No, not for canvas item.
Our thing, let's do control. Hide that.
How did he hide it?
Center. Bring it down. There we go. And let's just hide that.
Oh. Like that. Okay.
One more thing, let's do Control A and let's add an audio stream player, just a regular one with no spatial anything. It's just gonna add an audio stream player, just a regular one with no.
He also wants to add an audio stream player.
Spatial.
I added the wrong one. He wants a regular one. This one.
Anything, it's just going to play at the same volume no matter where it is. It has no transform at all. And we're going to add on our revolver shot here. And let's click audio down here, add a new bus. I'll call this sound effects. So
I don't
that
have
way,
any sounds going on here. No sounds yet.
Over here, I'll name this to shoot sound, and over here on the bus it'll play the sound effects bus. So that means it goes through the sound effects bus, which then plays through master volume. So if I want to have some setting that changes just the volume of sound effects, I would only change the sound effects bus volume. Okay, so now finally let's go in. We're going to add a script here. So just click that, click create. This
a script
gives us a script template and a script effects bus volume. Okay, so now finally let's go in. We're going to add a script here. So just
okay, we're gonna finally do some scripting. That is a node. This. Hold on, wait. Let me stop clicking on everything. I have no idea how GDScript works. I have heard it's similar to Python, which I have not done much in. So, shucks.
Click that, click create. This gives us a script template. We're not going to use most of this. We also need to have input, and yeah, we'll start with input here. So I'll do move forwards.
Okay, wait, what? Where'd he do that from?
And script template. We're not going to use most of this. We also
He goes to projects, input, in tools.
Need to have input.
Huh? Input map. Oh.
And yeah, we'll start with input here. So I'll do move forwards, move backwards, move left. That's a typo. That's all right. Exit, restart, and shoot. If you make a typo, you can just click the name.
Sick. Forward. Backwards. Hold on, wait. Forwards? Yeah, forwards and backwards. Move left. So, where did those just go? That's filtering. Okay. That makes sense. Move left. Shoot? Does that say exit?
Change it backwards, move left. That's a typo. That's all right. Exit, restart, and shoot.
Exit and restart.
If you make a typo, you can just
Should be 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep.
click the name, change it. There we go. Add a plus sign, and then you just hit whatever input you want. So move forwards, I'll hit W, click OK.
Plus sign? Oh. Okay. Oh. This is very fun. Shoot. Mouse buttons. Left mouse button. Exit.
Okay. Backwards.
Oh, wait till he gets to exit, 'cause I don't understand
left,
how that works.
Okay.
It'll be like probably a
right.
command thing instead.
D. Exit will be escape. Restart. Let's do R. And
Okay, never mind. He's literally mapping them. Escape. Restart on R. Huh, that's odd. I've heard of people using R for restart in so many different genres and different applications. It's
Shoot,
crazy.
I'll just click mouse button, left mouse button.
Okay, I did it right.
There we go, we have our input.
And I literally just click close, I guess.
Also under project settings, I want to set up our physics layers. So we go down to layer names, 3D physics. Let's name layer 1 to environment. And
Okay, we're changing more stuff in the project. Project settings, we're changing our physics layers. 2D physics. Is it just physics? 3D physics?
layer 2 to character.
I can't even tell what his text says. It's too low res. Environment on characters. Okay, that's it. Environment. Characters.
Layer over here in inspector, collision.
Bro is gone. Okay. Inspector. I assume I can change the physics. Oh, it's in collision.
Put you on layer 2.
Oh, I'm on layer 2. Okay.
If you click the dots, it'll show what it.
Yeah, why isn't this just the actual layout? This makes way more sense. I guess this is probably easier. And it's optional anyways.
It'll only show the named layers, but you can also hover and see what they are. So environment is going to be there, value 1, layer 0. And we want mass to be both of them. So the way it works, collision in Godot, is typically when you have something that's a physical object, you set it to be on the layer you want it to be on, and then you set the mask to determine what it can collide with. So in this case, I'm on the characters layer, and I want to be able to collide with both environment and other players, or under other characters.
And then
so now in our code here, let's get rid of all this jump code, and let's get
bar input there. Up to here, bro. Got rid of
all of that. We don't need that. Now we need all of our references, so let's get a reference to the animated sprite. Let's get a reference to our Raycast 3D. And let's get a reference to our shoot sound. Also on our Raycast 3D, we need to set the collision. So right now, it's masked to just environment. We want it to be able to hit characters.
Okay, so Raycast should be on 2 as well, because it can hit characters. Because enemies will be on characters. So really, it's just like entities, I guess, but... Okay. So check this out. This is going to be weird. I don't want the animated sprite. Did I already forget how? Wait, how do they do comments in this? Ah, okay. Python. Oh, wait. That was a tilde? Gun anim asset. Actually, no, what's it called? What's the actual called? To do. Gun anim. Don't have that.
As well. And we don't.
Raycast and shoot sound, so. So I'll put the Raycast here. So his thing just automatically. So well, mine.
Don't want it. Now we need all of our references. So let's get a reference to the animated sprite. Let's get a reference to our Raycast 3.
So his Raycast literally just, when he drags it, puts it here, it doesn't give him just this, it gives him a whole thing. Is on ready? Is it? No, this is 6 months old. Surely it's not already obsolete.
3D, and let's get a reference to.
Okay.
To our shoot sound, also on our Raycast 3D.
Do this as well, except this is actually called $. No, yeah, you're right, whatever. There you go.
We need to set the collision. So right now it's masked to just environment. We want it to be able to hit characters
Wait, did I not do that? I did do that. Okay.
as well. And we don't want it to hit the player, so we don't check hit from inside.
Ooh, we don't want it to hit.
Colliding with just bodies, areas, or something else we don't need to worry about.
Don't worry about that.
And
okay.
make sure that it is enabled. Also, it's excluding the parent, so it's not going to hit it anyways. Okay, so now we have our speed already defined. Let's do constant mouse sensitivity. Let's say 0.5. So we can set up that, and let's finally do var can shoot. Let's true, so this will determine if we can shoot our gun, and var dead, which is false, we are not dead. Then we'll have function ready. This is called basically when the game starts or when this node is added to the scene if we instantiated it. And this is just a default method. We're also going to have function input. So this is called whenever any input.
Func ready. Pass.
Event happens and it passes.
Func. So there's my entire Steam. No, that's chill, whatever. Do I have anything important on my Steam? I don't think so. Let me just check this real quick. I closed something. I don't know what I closed. No. There's nothing there. Okay. Welcome back. Is my microphone? Yeah, okay, good. What was I doing? So I have to type slower. That's not fun because I don't know. I don't know when I'm doing
press
stuff.
a button. Method. We're also going to have function. Then we'll have function ready. This is called basically when the game starts or when this node is added to the scene. If we
Oh my god, why am I so bad at typing?
instantiated it, and this is just a default method. We're also going to have function input. So this is called whenever any input event happens and it passes in that input event. So I press a button, I move the mouse, whatever joy event happens and it passes in.
Oh, okay. I can't type.
In that input event, so I press a button, I move the mouse, whatever joystick, whatever physics process, which was already here. That's like fixed update from Unity, and it's just called 60 times a frame, no matter how fast or slow your computer is. Or not, 60 times a second, sorry. We also have process, which is called every frame and it changes based on how fast your computer is, right? And pass is just kind of like a junk line, so it doesn't do anything, but if I take it out, then the editor sees, oh, there's a blank method, so there's a syntax error. So I just like to put that there because I don't like seeing.
Bro added process while I wasn't looking. Okay.
Syntax errors when I'm talking. So we have, these are all our base stuff, so we're going to have some generic input in here. Let's start with mouse input. So first off, if we're dead, we should not be able to turn. So we're going to say if dead, return. Otherwise, if our input event is a input event mouse motion. So if I control click on this, I can see what it is. And we can see here, there's a 2D vector.
What the okay, hold on, wait. What is happening? Hold on, wait. That's starting to annoy me. How do I turn that off now? I don't need... I don't need that happening. Why'd Godot get small all of a sudden? Oh, it is small. Okay. Well... Okay. Oh, I nearly clicked exit game. That would suck. Let me turn off Godot for a second here. Settings. How about you don't do any of this right now. It is not. It's not giving me the settings. Wait, what? Settings. Yo, it's lagging. Control Shift. No. No. No, I just opened Outlook. Shift Alt? Nothing uses that. What? Bro, I don't... No, not Alt-Tab. Oh, I have to click into it and then... I just can't change. It's just not letting me change it. I want it to be 3. Well, guess I'll have to just deal with it right now. Did I actually just change it to that? Okay, now it's Alt-Tab. That's much worse. I use that a lot more. Uh-oh. I've definitely just made it worse. That's fine.
Called relative. If I click on that, it shows, oh, it's the position relative.
Where the hell am I?
Here, let's start with mouse input. So first off, if we're dead, we should not be able to turn. So we're going to say if dead, return. Otherwise, if our input event is a input.
Okay. I don't know what this is keyword is.
event mouse motion.
Mouse motion.
So if I control click on this, I can see what it.
All of a sudden, I'm back on the Irish keyboard. Don't know how.
It is, and we can see here
Is
there's
red.
a
I don't
2D
get why.
vector called relative. If I click on that, it shows, oh, it's the position relative to the previous position. So if I move the mouse, it gets how much I moved, right? So I can get the event.relative.x, multiply it dot mouse sensitivity. So this is if I move my mouse left or right. We can do rotation degrees dot y minus equals that.
Minus equals y. Okay. Dot. Deg. I don't know where he's getting all this from. Multiplied by mouse sensitivity.
So that'll make us turn left or right. Then under process, let's put some input. If input dot is action just pressed.
Is this in process? Okay.
Not, yeah, just pressed exit. We want to exit the game, so we'll do get tree dot quit, and that.
Ooh, get tree.
I'll close the game.
So this,
And then
this will
for-
literally quit. That's cool. Is this even visible right now? Oh, it is. Cool.
Let's see, restart. We want to restart the game. I'm going to put that in a separate method because I'm going to be able. I want that to be called from the.
Okay, we're making a.
Death as well. So we'll just put that over here, or from the.
This one he did not put an underscore
Death
with
screen button.
for some reason. Can I find degrees on base vector 3? Oh, rotation underscore degrees. Ah, I thought that was a period. Okay. I thought it was like a... Okay, that makes sense.
So
No, hold on, wait, now I'm lost because I wasn't paying attention really. Dead. Dead, no inputs. Change. Times amount moved. That makes sense.
So there's that, and then finally, if we're dead, return. So this will be here, or from the death screen button.
Oh yeah, there's also an if. Input dot, oops. Is action just press restart? Whoops. Underscore restart. I don't like that I don't have to put a delimiter at the end.
So there's that. Because I'm going to be able, I want that to be called from the death as well. So we'll just put that over here, or from the death screen button. So there's that, and then finally, if we're dead, return. So this will be kind of our in-game input. This is like, I don't care if I'm dead, I want to still be able to call this. Then we're going to have a shoot method.
Wait. Oh, so if dead, no input. Okay. So that's checking. So this is all for the actual inputs. Running through what input you can do. So if you're dead, it just returns. It doesn't let you go to the do any other inputs. But then we're gonna have an actual. What the hell? If dead. This is the in-game check. Restart game.
Here, if we press,
I was gonna funk shoot.
shoot, and you can just do Control C on the line.
Shoot gun. Player shoots. Okay.
And then Control V and it'll copy. You can also do Control Shift D and it'll duplicate the whole line. So if we press shoot, call shoot, and we're not dead, right?
It'll do a double line, what? What is he talking about?
Shoot method here. If we press shoot, and you can just do Control C on the line and then Control V and it'll copy. You can also do Control Shift D and it'll duplicate the whole line. So if we press shoot, call shoot, and we're not dead, right?
Control Shift E. You kidding? Bro's just lying to me, what? Whoa! Control arrows moves me around? That's cool.
Now, under...
Oh, he might have said D. Oh! Okay, found multi-cursor mode. Very cool. Stop that. Yeah, okay. Control Shift D. He didn't say
For physics
E.
process, we want to have our movement. So obviously, we should not be able to move if we're dead.
I've never thought about if dead return before. That never occurred to me that you can just literally get them out of the whole thing.
Right now it's getting input from some predefined input stuff. This is for UI. I'm just going to put in my own input because it's more readable that way.
Oh, okay. backwards. Bro. Don't do anything. He just changed all these variables because he did.
Way. Move right. Here we go. Okay, so this just takes our input, converts it to a 2D vector, and then this line over here converts it to a 3D vector facing forward from our player. So if we rotate the player, it'll still work properly. And then this just checks if that input is not 0. So if our direction input is not 0, then set our velocity of our character body 3D. So this node has a velocity built into it. Then set the velocity to be that input times our speed. Otherwise, if we aren't pressing anything, set our velocity to be move toward the velocity to 0, basically with this delta. So you can control click this method. See, move toward moves it from to by delta. So it'll just move it to 0. Then finally we call move and slide, which actually moves the character body based off whatever the velocity is. And if you hit something at an angle, it'll slide along it and move nicely. Okay, so now let's do function, or not function, we already have this defined. We're going to do shoot. So what we're going to do with this is if we cannot shoot, then return and start off set can shoot to.
Oh, if, okay, negative can shoot.
Be false. So we're shooting, we want to wait for the enemy.
Boot. Should I not say can
animation
shoot not
to be finished? So we want to play the animation. So play, shoot, and then.
Yeah, here. Animation.
Play the shoot sound.
Gonna shoot sound.
Oh wait. And then finally, we want to check our raycast. So if our raycast is colliding, so if it's hitting something, and get the collider that it's hitting, so that, and if it has a method called kill, we would just say get that method dot kill. There we go. So it'll call kill when we hit something. We also now we need to have a way to set this to be true. So we're just gonna say function shoot.
Hold on, wait, what? And raycast dot get collider. Oh, this is all inside of. Wait. Get collider dot. I should be able to put. As method? Oh, okay. It just wasn't giving me this has method. Whoops. Raycast 3D. And then kill it.
Animation done. And we'll do can shoot.
Func shoot and I'm done. Okay, actually he doesn't have. Maybe these are like not. Since they're like user defined rather than engine stuff, but they are engine stuff. I don't get it.
Equals true, and then
shoot and I'm done.
So we need to call this. So we go up to ready. So in here we want to get our animated sprite 2D, and there is a signal on it called animation finish that is emitted whenever an animation is finished. If you click on something, you go to node signals and see all of these signals on it. You can also, of course, search in the docs here, animated sprite, and see there are some signals here, right? And it explains what they all do. So anyways, back to our script. So when this is finished, we just get that and we do .connect, and we put in the name of our method we want to connect to.
Now what? Now what's wrong with you? Oh, because there's no pass on this. Yeah. Finished. Whoops. Finished. Connect. Bro, I've got no idea what I'm typing right now. Aim. Are you done?
So it'll call that when the animation finishes. Also in ready, we want to hide the mouse cursor. Input dot mouse mode.
Input dot mouse mode
Equals input dot mouse mode captured. So
okay.
Captured makes the cursor hidden and stuck to the center of the screen. We also want to get our our button here, so we can just drag this and
Death or restart button. I will call it on death restart button.
it gives us the path, and we just do dot button up, so that's a button up single, connect,
Am I getting the panel or the button itself? I'm getting the button itself. I'm slightly confused now because these methods are not showing up for me.
and put in restart. There we go. So when we press that, it'll restart the game. Now finally for restart, we're going to do get tree dot reload current scene, and that'll restart.
Where is restart here? Why? Oh, no, yeah.
It. And finally we
Reloading the current scene. I like that. Get tree. Reload current scene.
need our kill method. So if we die, we want to do dead equals true. We want to get a reference to the death screen. So if you want to get a reference to anything, you do a $, type in the name of it or whatever, and you can get the right, it'll give you the path here, and then that gives us a reference to it. So I just want to say show, so that makes it visible again. And let's set the mouse mode, I'll just copy that, to be mouse
Big
mode
old
visible,
button.
so it should
I
be
was already
visible.
here.
So let's go ahead and bring this into the scene. So
Bro was just zooming
so I
around
just
me.
want to say show. So
Oh, so once I'm dead, I just want to show it. For some reason, the button
that makes it visible again. And let's set the mouse
button
mode. I'll
methods
just
don't
copy that
autofill.
to be mouse mode visible. So it should be.
Swan kill. Oh yeah. Masma visible.
Visible. So let's go ahead and bring this into the scene. So in our 3D scene,
We are now going to bring it over. I hope. That'd be cool.
here, I can either click this, or I can do Control Shift A, drop in the player. Let's move.
Go to the world here. Can I add my own? Control Shift A. Instantiate child scene. See, I want to do this, but I want to. How do I look at my own ones from here? Oh, instantiate child scene. Ah. Yo.
Move you over here. Press F5. Let's bring it.
Why can't I view it? 3D. Whoa. That is my player.
And let's move you over here. Press F5.
What? Hold on, wait. You're telling me this is just gonna start working? So if I'm looking at this, I just hit F5, which runs the program. Where did it go? Bro said not responding. That's fine. Is F5 doing something else? What? Whoa! Okay, no. It said Godot engine is not responding. That's scary. What could be wrong with this? Is it not going to show up? Where is it? There. What could I have done wrong? To do shoot sound. Invalid type function cannot string callable. Okay, hold on a minute. It's telling me there's problems here. And so that's inside a world. Hold on a minute. Open the script. Yeah, close that. What is wrong with this? There's no actual red lights here. Hold on, wait. He might have used it with an underscore delta. Bro, he changed it to physics process. What is that? Physics process delta. Has the same name as previously. Oh! Ready, cannot connect. To button up. $sign Canada's layer. Ah. It's not in that. Interesting. Okay. Now let me delete this layer. Now let me Control Shift A. Player into my them. Save that. F5. Can't actually see it. I assume he doesn't have that other camera still. Like, so if I delete that camera 3D, if I run this, yep. Damn. And obviously the ground doesn't actually mean anything. This is a very fast... Okay, cool. So we have something. This is what VampiriSystem looks like right now. I'll make more videos on, like, what the idea is and stuff. Damn, there's collision and everything? Damn! Oh my god! Wait, okay. Once I add in enemies and stuff, then I can actually start, you know, playtesting and doing level design and stuff. I could probably do level blocks in, like, Roblox, even. But at this point, I think I'm too... For quick prototypes, and also I'd be able to get... For quick prototypes, it'd be much easier to use Roblox, because I could also get other people to play it. And that's probably more important. Is there a way to, like, lock what axis you're on in Roblox? Probably. I'm happy with this, though. We have another 10 minutes. So I've been doing this 30-minute tutorial for 20 minutes. 17 minutes. And now I'm... Shooting doesn't work yet because I don't have it. Yeah, we've got another 10 minutes in this tutorial, and then I'm gonna actually have to start making art stuff and making the different levels and the level design and all that. And I do want to play through some Doom again, just so I can actually, you know, understand why the level design's good. But for right now, this is good enough for me. So, that will be all today. Thank you for watching. I've been ignoring a bunch of my college work, so I will maybe be doing some of that now. I chose to do this instead because my degree is in game dev, and this is actual game dev, rather than... Like, there's we did calculus just now. We used calculus, but I didn't know the calculus. I just used it. Yeah. Okay. That's all today. Bye-bye.